Right. Next heading: gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. So what is gravitational potential energy? Let this is a mass capital M. Placed at point O, and any mass particle small m is carrying from infinite. Suppose this is a point at which its gravitational field vanishes. Suppose this is a point at which its gravitational field vanishes. Okay. So this point becomes infinite for this mass particle. Okay. So if we carry any mass particle m from infinite, from this point its gravitational field started. When you carry the mass particle m from infinite, then you get work, because this mass particle start to attract at this point. So if attractive force acts, then in carrying mass m from infinite to point P, we get work, not do work. Okay. Work is get by agent, not done by agent, because mass is attracted by capital M. Mass is attracted by capital M. Okay. So when you carry mass m from infinite to P, then you get work. When you carry mass m from P to infinite, then you do work against attraction. So what is gravitational potential energy? Amount of work required to bring any mass from infinite to certain point inside gravitational field. This is the point which lies gravitational field fielded by capital M. This is the point which lies in gravitational field fielded by capital M. Okay. So when we bring mass m from infinite to point P, that is in gravitational field of M, capital M, then we get work. So amount of work done by agent in carrying any mass from infinite to point P is known as gravitational potential energy. Okay. So let agent get W1. Agent get W1 in carrying mass m from infinite to point P. Then this work become gravitational potential energy. This work become gravitational potential energy. Or this energy will be negative. Okay. This energy will be negative. Why? Because agent do not do work. Agent does not do work. It get the work. It carrying mass m. From definition of gravitational potential energy, U is equal to W. U is equal to W. Okay. So find W, then you get expression for gravitational potential energy. Okay. So first define gravitational potential energy. So amount of work in carrying any mass, देखिए in case of potential mass was 1 kg. In case of potential mass was 1 kg unit mass. But in case of gravitational potential energy, you carry any mass. And this may be 2 kg, 5 kg, 100 kg, 200 kg. Okay. So देखिए what is difference between gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential only. Gravitational potential agent carry mass of 1 kg. Mass of 1 kg. ठीक है. But in case of gravitational potential energy, agent carry mass of any mass. This mass may be 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 100 kg, 200 kg. Any mass. ठीक है. This is the difference between gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential only. Okay. So in this case we carry any mass. So we have to amount of work in carrying any mass. Any mass means this mass may be 1 kg, 2 kg, 100 kg, 300 kg, ठीक है। तो अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क इन कैरिंग any mass from infinite to certain point inside gravitational field gravitational field is known as gravitational potential energy is known as gravitational potential energy ठीक है। तो to find expression for gravitational potential energy according to definition, we need work done in carrying any mass from infinite, ठीक है। So define work in carrying any mass from infinite to certain point inside gravitational field. The later write it expression for gravitational potential energy. So from definition you should do this. Expression for gravitational potential energy. To find expression for gravitational potential energy, we find work required to bring any mass from infinite to certain point inside the gravitational field, ठीक है। तो to find work done in carrying mass m from infinite to point P inside gravitational field, ठीक है, which is at distance r. Point P is at distance r from the center of the mass body. Point P is at distance r from the center of mass body having mass vector, ठीक है। So D find W work in carrying mass m from infinite to point P. So to find work in carrying mass m from infinite to point P, B find work for a small displacement. Why we take here small displacement? For small displacement, gravitational force can be taken as constant. Otherwise, gravitational force is inversely proportional to square of distance. And the force changes rapidly, decreases rapidly on changing distance. Okay. For small displacement, this displacement change is very small. So force for this small displacement can be considered as a constant. Okay. So we find work for a small displacement. Okay. Displacement is so small that for this displacement force is constant. For this small displacement force is constant. So let a point A is at distance x and point B is at distance slightly more than x. X plus dx. Okay. dx is very close to 0. So force between BA is constant. Okay. So when mass m is at B, then it attracts towards O. So direction of force is this. Direction of Mg, gravitational force is this, and displacement is also along the same lines. Okay, in the same direction. So force, gravitational force, and displacement both are in the same direction. So angle between these two vectors is 0. Angle between these two vectors becomes 0. Angle made by a line resistance is 0. Both are along the same line in the same direction. So angle between Mg vector and Df vector is 0. Angle between Mg vector and Df vector is 0. Okay. So amount of work in carrying mass m, in carrying mass m from B to A. dW is equal to scalar product of force and displacement. So F vector F dot ds. Okay. So F ds. So F this can be written as F ds cos 0. Vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta. Vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta. So vector F dot ds is equal to F ds cos 0. F ds cos 0. So F is gravitational force. F is gravitational force acting between mass capital M and small m. So force acting between mass capital M and small m will be G m upon x. ठीक है, into dx cos 0 is 1. So right here. ठीक है. So this is 0. This is different. To find, so this is the work for small displacement d. This is the amount of work required to amount of work done by them in carrying mass m from B to A. To find net work in carrying mass m from infinite to point P, we break distance between infinite to P into infinite number of small displacement ds. Okay, distance infinite to P. This distance could be broken into infinite number of small displacement of length ds. ds length. ठीक है. और find what the work is small displacement and sum them. Then you get net work in carrying mass m from infinite to point P. ठीक है. So this becomes process of continuous addition. ठीक है. और process of continuous addition is known as integration. This is mathematically known as integration. So we can say that if we integrate this work from infinite to point P, then we get net work done in carrying any mass m from infinite to P. ठीक है. तो net work done in carrying mass m from infinite. Net work done in carrying mass m from infinite to certain point. From infinite to certain point P. W is equal to integration of infinite to r. ठीक है. G m upon x square ds. So W is equal to take G m constant G m out of the integration. G m is constant. So this comes out of integration, because integration of constant into function is equal to constant time integration of function. So g mm come out integration sign. So g mm integration of infinite to what? S square in denominator is negative. When we take in numerator, in denominator x square is positive. When we take in numerator, then it becomes negative. So this the infinite to what? X raised to power minus 2 dx. Now integrate this. So g m integration of x minus 2 is x minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. Okay. Lower limit is infinite, upper limit is r. So w is equal to minus g m. Okay. x raised to power minus 1. x raised to power minus 1. Okay. r to infinite. r to infinite. So this becomes w is equal to minus g m 1 by x infinite to r. Okay. So write upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. So w is equal to minus g m 1 by r minus 1 by infinite. So 1 by infinite is 0. 1 by infinite is 0. So w is equal to minus g m upon r. Okay. So this is the net work required to bring mass m from infinite to point P. Okay. Or according to definition of gravitational potential energy, this work become gravitational potential energy. ठीक है. तो from definition of gravitational potential energy, U is equal to W. So U is equal to minus G m by R. So this is the expression for gravitational potential energy. This is the expression for gravitational potential energy. So this energy is negative. It has a significance. Okay. So what is significance of this negative sign? What is the significance of this negative sign? This negative sign indicates that work is gained by the agent, not done by the agent. Work is gained by the agent in carrying mass m from infinite to point P. Okay. Because Gravitational force is always attractive. So when agent carry the mass m from infinite to point P, then he does not do work, he gain work. Okay. So write this negative sign indicates that what is gained by agent. Okay. Gained by agent. Right.